So are you trying to tell us that Russia is safe?
Absolutely. Look at me. um I just came like I was messaging you, yeah, so saying like
Yes.
I'm going home.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm at home now. Did I safely arrive home? Can, are we
Yeah,
now?
it is
Yeah,
100% there.
are we now having an interview? Yes.
Yeah.
Well, safetiness is just it's such a strange question.
Yeah.
Because we have, I would tell you something. We have cameras in the
Okay.
streets.
Okay.
So we have cameras in all our buildings. We have
Okay.
cameras even in the lifts.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, so we are crazy about security. Believe me, we are so securely minded people, and we
Wow.
so much care about our kids. You know why did we put cameras in the lifts? Because we care about kids first of
Kids.
all. Kids,
Yes.
of course. And if we are so, so much caring about our kids, surely we would care about any other kids and any other kids in any country in the planet.